Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HYLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after the dust has settled on the day and on the week, definitely some very straightforward levels to keep an eye on moving forward. And these are areas that are always convenient in the sense of, you know, that there's lots of other people watching them. So what I'm trying to get across here is I don't want to come across like I'm some sort of great, trader, and then I have some sort of special skill, and these are some great discovery. The exact opposite. I assure you that people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with these areas. So the first level that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is right up here at 25.50. You go over the past couple of days and you can see that on several occasions, the price has been up around that area, failed, up around that area, and never quite failed, but just, hovered right below that area. So my point here is this: there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it's a more than plausible, it's a more than logical thought to have that if the price does continue to work itself sideways and then works up there and can get a break of that area, the break of 25.50 very well could in and of itself create that much more upside buying pressure. Once again, no such thing as a guarantee. My point here is that it's a more than valid thought and, plausible situation to be throwing out there. Now, if that level is broken, next key area of resistance after that point would then be up there right around $26.70. So keep an eye on that. But, before you start putting too much focus on $26.70, let's just first see if the price can even break above $25.50. As far as areas of support are concerned, main level of support to watch moving forward, going to be down here, which isn't anywhere really close right now, but down there at the $24 mark, you can see that big track record there of the bears trying to press down through, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls stepped up in a big way and held nice and strong. But overall, those would be the main levels from the technical point of view to watch moving forward. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.